Congratulations, you found Geordie Intelligence. My name's Ross, and I'm the creator and founder of Geordie Consulting and Geordie Intelligence, this YouTube channel that you're watching now. I've founded these businesses really to bring together what I've always thought. As above, so below. To me, the way I interpret that is that for business and personal, the two have to interlink. We talk about work-life balance a lot, don't we? But what does that mean? And how do that all come together? The reality for me in the world of data is getting everything right, understanding what our business data is doing and what our personal data is doing are two interlinked things. What we do here on the channel is we use our insights and our experiences on consultancy to actually start to give you scenarios that you'll recognize in your business life and hopefully that will benefit you personally as well. So we're going to go through some data sets. In the next season, we're going to pull together the data from New York. So we've got New York water towers, where we're looking at the rooftop water towers that get inspected each and every year. And we're also going to draw that together with the New York taxi data set. Again, another highly popular data set. But we're going to mix it up and bring in a third data set. And what that's going to simulate for a lot of businesses is this idea of a single pane of glass reporting, where how do we actually understand what is going on in a department? It might have its real activities in terms of it's a sales department or a fulfillment department, but then it's got other sides, hasn't it? Like the human cost, the people cost of it, the HR side. So when it comes to understanding, is a department profitable? It's not just about how many sales it's making, it's how much is it costing us as well. We've got our English food hygiene. Every food establishment in England has to have what I call the scores on the doors, 5 stars or less. We've got up already. We import it, it's ready to go. We've expanded it, and maybe we should also look at bringing in Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland as well. So we'll have a look at doing that and see what that teaches us about using APIs across Power BI. Again, a big topic that lots of our customers are asking about. And lastly, we might expand what we've done with Jesmond Dean Parkrun, a local event, and what we can use that for is start to look at our frequent flyer information. So our regular customers, how much are our customers doing in terms of how many runs have they done? What times? How does that change over time? Think about that as a basket analysis for a retailer. So what's going on with our customers? Are they regularly buying the same stuff, or are they buying more? Are they buying less? And tracking that over time. We can do it all. So that's Geordie Intelligence, the YouTube side. We've also got the consultancy side. So if your business is like many of our clients and you need help and support, contact Geordie Consulting. We can take you through not just the early stages of getting embedded in Power BI and the Power Platform as a whole, but also starting to leverage any insights or any growth that you've made in that sector. Follow us on the channel, get in contact, stay involved, tell us what we're doing, what you like, what you don't like as well, because that's just as important, because only then can we make sure that our content is great, and from having great content, we do great consultancy, and from doing great consultancy, we do great content. Thank you.